Project cost management is crucial for successful project completion. It ensures projects are delivered within budget. It involves processes like estimation, budgeting, and control. Effective cost management leads to stakeholder satisfaction and project success. Imagine building a house without knowing the cost of materials. The project could easily go over budget. This is why cost management is essential. It provides a financial roadmap for the project. It helps project managers make informed decisions. Cost management involves estimating, budgeting, and controlling costs. Estimation is a critical process in project cost management. It involves predicting the cost of resources needed for the project. Accurate estimation is essential for creating a realistic budget. It sets the foundation for effective cost control. There are different techniques for cost estimation. These include analogous estimating, parametric estimating, and bottom-up estimating. Analogous estimating uses data from similar past projects. Parametric estimating uses statistical relationships. Bottom-up estimating involves estimating the cost of individual tasks. Accurate estimation requires a deep understanding of the project scope. It also requires experience and expertise. Project managers must consider various factors, including labor costs, material costs, and equipment costs. Estimation is not a one-time activity. It is an iterative process. Estimates should be refined as the project progresses. New information may become available. Risks may arise. The project scope may change. Budgeting is another vital process in project cost management. It involves allocating funds for the project based on the cost estimates. The budget serves as a financial plan. It outlines how funds will be spent throughout the project lifecycle. The budget should be aligned with the project scope and schedule. It should be detailed and comprehensive. It should include all expected costs, including direct costs, indirect costs, and contingency reserves. The budget is a dynamic document. It may need to be adjusted as the project progresses. Changes in scope, unforeseen risks, or market fluctuations can impact costs. Regular budget reviews are essential. Effective budgeting ensures that the project has sufficient funds. It helps prevent cost overruns. It also enables the project manager to track spending against the plan. This allows for timely corrective actions if needed. Cost control is the process of monitoring project expenses. It ensures that spending remains within the approved budget. It involves tracking actual costs, comparing them to the budget, and taking corrective actions. Cost control is an ongoing process. It requires regular monitoring and analysis of project expenditures. Project managers use various tools and techniques for cost control. This includes earned value management, variance analysis, and trend analysis. Effective cost control helps prevent cost overruns. It identifies potential cost variances early on. This allows the project manager to take corrective actions. It also helps optimize resource utilization and improve project efficiency. Cost control is essential for achieving project objectives within budget. It requires discipline, attention to detail, and a proactive approach. It also requires effective communication and collaboration among the project team. Section 5. Tracking monitoring expenses in real time. Tracking is a crucial aspect of cost control. It involves monitoring project expenses in real time, providing insights into actual spending patterns. This helps identify potential budget deviations early on. Project managers use various tools and techniques for tracking expenses, including spreadsheets, project management software, and financial dashboards. These tools enable real-time visibility into project spending. Effective tracking allows for timely corrective actions. If actual costs exceed the budget, the project manager can investigate the cause. They can then take steps to mitigate the issue. This may involve adjusting the project plan, renegotiating contracts, or optimizing resource allocation. Tracking also helps improve cost forecasting. By analyzing historical spending data, project managers can make more accurate predictions about future costs. This enhances budget accuracy and reduces the risk of cost overruns. Section 6. Forecasting, predicting future project costs. Forecasting involves predicting future project costs based on current spending patterns and other relevant factors. Accurate forecasting is essential for maintaining budget control. It helps anticipate potential cost increases. Project managers use various techniques for cost forecasting, including trend analysis, earned value management, and expert judgment. These techniques leverage historical data, project progress, and market conditions to predict future costs. Effective forecasting enables proactive cost management. If forecasts indicate potential cost overruns, the project manager can take preemptive measures. This may involve adjusting the project scope, optimizing resource allocation, or renegotiating contracts. Forecasting also helps communicate potential budget impacts to stakeholders. This allows for informed decision-making and ensures transparency throughout the project lifecycle. By providing stakeholders with realistic cost projections, project managers can build trust and manage expectations. Accurate cost estimation is crucial for project success. There are various techniques that project managers can use to ensure accurate cost estimates. These techniques leverage historical data, statistical relationships, and expert judgment. Analogous estimating involves using data from similar past projects to estimate the cost of the current project. This technique is useful when there is limited information available about the current project. It relies on the assumption that similar projects will have similar costs. Parametric estimating uses statistical relationships between historical data and project variables to estimate costs. This technique is more accurate than analogous estimating. It requires a larger data set and a deeper understanding of the factors that influence project costs. Bottom-up estimating involves estimating the cost of individual tasks and then aggregating them to arrive at the total project cost. This technique is the most accurate but also the most time-consuming. It requires a detailed breakdown of the project scope and a thorough understanding of the resources required for each task. Effective cost management has led to successful project outcomes in various industries. These real-world examples demonstrate the importance of cost management principles in practice. They showcase the benefits of accurate estimation, budgeting, and control. The construction of the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, is a prime example of successful cost management. The project involved meticulous planning, detailed cost estimates, and rigorous cost control measures. This ensured that the project was completed within budget and on schedule. The development of the iPhone, a revolutionary smartphone, also involved effective cost management. Apple carefully estimated the cost of components, manufacturing, and marketing. They implemented strict cost control measures throughout the development process. This allowed them to launch a successful product at a competitive price point. The implementation of a large-scale enterprise resource planning (ERP) system is another example of successful cost management. The project involved extensive planning, detailed cost estimates, and ongoing cost control. This ensured that the system was implemented within budget and delivered the expected benefits. Effective cost management is essential for achieving stakeholder satisfaction. When projects are completed within budget and on schedule, stakeholders are more likely to be satisfied. This builds trust and strengthens relationships. Cost management ensures that the project delivers value for money. It demonstrates that resources are being used efficiently and effectively. This is particularly important for projects funded by public or investor funds. Effective cost management also helps prevent conflicts and disputes. When stakeholders are confident that the project is being managed responsibly, they are less likely to raise concerns or objections. This fosters a collaborative and harmonious project environment. By prioritizing cost management, project managers demonstrate their commitment to stakeholder interests. This builds credibility and enhances the reputation of the project team. It also increases the likelihood of future project success. Mastering project cost management is essential for achieving project success. It involves a comprehensive understanding of key processes like estimation, budgeting, control, tracking, and forecasting. By effectively implementing these processes, project managers can ensure that projects are completed within budget and on schedule. Accurate cost estimation sets the foundation for effective cost management. By using appropriate techniques like analogous estimating, parametric estimating, and bottom-up estimating, project managers can predict project costs with greater accuracy. This allows for realistic budgeting and effective cost control. Regular cost control and tracking are crucial for maintaining budget adherence. By monitoring expenses in real time and comparing them to the budget, project managers can identify potential cost variances early on and take corrective actions. This helps prevent cost overruns and ensures that the project stays on track. Effective cost forecasting enables proactive cost management. By predicting future project costs based on current spending patterns and other relevant factors, project managers can anticipate potential cost increases and take preemptive measures. This helps mitigate risks and maintain budget control throughout the project lifecycle. In conclusion, mastering project cost management is a vital skill for any project manager. By embracing the principles and techniques discussed in this guide, project managers can enhance their ability to deliver successful projects that meet stakeholder expectations and contribute to organizational goals.